Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. One of the things I'm asked is how long does it take for an insurance company to pay out a claim? Okay, and I'm going to sort of break this down because it can mean a lot of different things. Now, one of which is under Connecticut law, the insurance company has to pay the claim within 30 days of settlement, or if the case is in litigation, settlement and withdrawal of the complaint. That's what really starts the clock. So it's 30 days after a settlement. But there's also like sort of a bigger question as to how long it takes to settle a case, which is a separate question. Um, on average, a case may take 9 months, a year or so to settle after an accident. But more complicated cases can take many years to settle for a variety of reasons. And there is no sort of time limit as to how long that process can go, because you could have a trial, you could have appeals, you could have retrials, you could have a whole host of things. So that answer is sort of indefinite, but the clear answer is after the case is settled or settled and withdrawn, 30 days in Connecticut, that's how long the insurance company has to pay before they start incurring interest and penalties. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. 877 CTF wins.